Hi friends, as you know, in next 2 days we are getting into a training for SEO, digital analytics, as well as social media. And let me introduce myself. I am Mayank Dwivedi. I am into the field of digital marketing for last 5 years and into the field of advertising, media, and marketing for last 10 years. So altogether, I am working for 15 years for marketing, advertising, and digital media activities. And I'm going to train you on how to do the SEO activities effectively and how to use digital marketing strategies as well as for your PR activities. And at the end, we will also learn about how to utilize social media for creating a great impact and delivering a great reach for our organization, and how effectively we can do it in our respective job roles. So for this purpose, we require a dummy website because I want to deliver this training with the hands-on experience to every one of you. And for that, I want you to see this video carefully so that you can learn how to create a free of cost website and getting your dummy domain as well as getting a free hosting. You will learn this from website called Infinity Free, which is a great app to create a free website. Although this will have limited features, but for your hands-on experience, it could work very well for your learning purpose. And for that, we can create a free website from the app which is called infinityfree.net. Open this app on your Chrome or on any browser and create your account by clicking on sign up. So once you will sign up with that account, you will have your account with your email ID and password. After that, you can go to client area and you can log in this account. So when you will log in this account, if you have already created some website, it will be shown over here, which is currently I have created one website a few months ago, which is now deactivated. Now I can create another account by clicking on create account option. After clicking on create account option, I will have to find one domain name because I don't have any paid domain here because I am creating a free website. So I will have to select the domain based on those extension which are available with Infinity Free. So preferably I will go with epg.com extension, and here I will keep a name of my website. This could be like mayankmarketing.com, and I am just now searching this domain name and I can see that this domain is available. So what will be my next step after creating this domain? I will click on I am not a robot. We have to verify being a human, and then click on create account. After clicking on create account option, you will have to click on open control panel. So by clicking on this button, it will ask you for one approval as important notice. So you have to click on I approve. Just after that, control panel will be loaded here, and because we have to create a website based on no coding thing, I mean we don't know HTML, CSS or JavaScript or any markup language to create a website. So what we will do, we will take the help of WordPress. So here click on Softaculous app installer. Softaculous app installer helps us to install specific apps which are available within that section. After clicking on Softaculous app installer, you will land to a page where a lot of apps are available in the Softaculous. Sometime it may take 20-30 minutes of activation. So this may happen that when you click on this, you may have to wait for some time. So it is better that after reaching to the control panel system, you wait for another 20-30 minutes. Then you click on app installer, and after that this Softaculous will open immediately. So now in this Softaculous you have to click on WordPress and install that WordPress. So here you have to give the name to your website. For example, here I have already created a website with the name mayankmarket.epg.com. So mayankmarket.epg.com has already been mentioned here. And after that, what I will do, I will create one user ID and password. User ID should be like your own name, or it could be your email ID also. So it is better to keep your personal email ID here so that you can have full control on this. And here you can create your password also. It should be a very strong password. So I have created a password, and here my email ID is also mentioned in admin email. So in username and in admin email I have mentioned my personal email ID, and I have created a password. Now I will click on install button, and WordPress will be installed in this website. When WordPress is installed completely, you get two links here. One link is about your front end website, another link is about your admin URL. So by this front end URL, you can check whether your website is live now or not. Let us click here and we can see whether website is live or not. Okay, so website is live, and by this admin link we can log in into our WordPress panel, and in the WordPress panel we can start working for creating our website. I have logged in into this. Now my role is to create pages, and next step is creating a layout for this website. So from where you get the pages, you go to the page section and you can add multiple pages from here. Before that, I will suggest you to install one plugin so that your website designing can be little easier, and this plugin is Classic Editor plugin. If it is not showing here, you can search from this search bar, and after that you will get Classic Editor plugin, and install this and activate this. So you will get this activated plugin over here, and after that you can start adding the page in your website. So page could be related to, you have to click on pages, then you have to add new page from here, and here you can add multiple pages like home could be your first page, then again click on add new. About us could be your second page. Product range or products could be your third page. Services could be your fourth page. Contact us could be another page. In that way you can create lot of pages over here, and then go to appearance. In the appearance, go to menu section. From here you have to name this menu as main menu, then click on create menu option. After that, select all those pages and bring those pages to menu section. Here if you are finding some additional pages like sample page, remove this from your menu, and now you can, oh, sorry, main menu. By mistake I have deleted the entire menu. Wait for a minute. So from here I will select only those important pages which I have to make live in our menu, and after that I can create a specific sequence. For example, if I want home page at the top, then second page I want about us, I can drag based on that. I want third page to be product, I want fourth page to be services, I want fifth page to be contact us. So I can click here save menu option. After that my menu will be live, and we have to do one more configuration over here which is called home page setting. So from where I will do this home page setting, go to customize. In the customize you can go to home page setting option, and in the home page setting option go to static page and select the home page as home and publish this page. So now you can see your website is live, and this website already has some components which you have created. In this website till the time menu is not visible. So why menu is not visible? Because when we have selected menu section, in the menu section we have not selected where menu should be shown. So where menu should be shown, we are again going to menu option. In this menu let us click on primary menu, and after that again click on save menu option. After that menu of your website will be live and will be visible over here. So now you can see menu is live here, and this menu has been created by pages. So this much of the website I want you all to create for learning purpose, and you can add number of pages and you can write things in these pages inside.